Hello children, welcome to our channel KCYC. Any guesses children about the topic what we are going to learn today? See, you can see word, okay? And below that there is a chain. So we are going to play today with the words. That is a word chain. We are going to use it to play. Okay, this word chain will naturally help you to increase your vocabulary. Okay, now let us see what do you mean by word chain. A word chain consists of words of a certain category. Category means class. You have seen parts of speech. So the category may be of noun, category may be of adjective, category may be of verbs, any that begins with a letter that the previous word has ended with. This is called a word chain. Now let us understand what do you mean by word chain. All of you enjoy playing Antakshari with your friends and also with your family members. Now in simple words to tell, word chain is the Antakshari of words. And what do you do when you play Antakshari? One person sings a song, where he ends, you begin with that last letter. The same thing is done with the word chain. But remember, here category is very, very important. Okay, one word, wherever what is the last letter of the word, you have to write the next word using the last letter of the previous word. But there are some restrictions. Some condition will be given that you have to write the word chain of nouns or the adjective or the verbs where your knowledge of grammar, parts of speech will be tested. Okay. Now let us see some examples of the word chain. Now see, it is given word chain of nouns beginning with the first word will be given to you. Now here it is, they have asked you to write the word chain of noun and the first word given is people. Now when you write people, the last letter is E. So your next word should begin with E. Now they have told you only nouns. So it may be a common noun, it may be a proper noun, it may be an abstract noun, collective noun, anyone. Okay, there is no restriction on what, because the word only nouns has been used there. So the second word written is elephant. The first word means E, people, which word they have given ends with E, and therefore you have written the first word of yours is elephant, which ends with T. Then next word is toughness. The next is Salem, which is the name of the place, and the last one is mob. How many words you have been asked? You have to write. The second one is the first word given. It is a laughter. Laughter ends with the letter R. So the next word begins with R, that is a race, which ends with E. So eyebrows. Again S. So sorrow. And W. Wisdom. Chain. Network. Kindness. S. Sherlock. Name. K for Kolhapur. Then the fourth one example is given, that is a ladder. It is a noun, name of a thing, ladder. R. So R se begin rock. Then you have kingdom. Then you have Mumbai beginning with M. And then you have India beginning with I or indigo. Okay. Then see, these are some more examples of word chain. The question is slightly twisted. I told you that your knowledge of grammar will be tested here. So you should know the full parts of speech and everything, kinds of nouns, everything should be learned by. Now see here, the word chain of proper nouns. Okay, you have to write here the word chain in which you can use only proper nouns. In the previous examples we saw, you could use any noun. any type of noun, but in this it is specifically given that you have to use only the proper noun, and it begins with India. So India, A. So Assam, M. Mary, Y. Yellow, W. Wilson. The second example here is word chain of common noun. The previous it was given proper noun, now it is a common noun given, name given to any sub. Okay, pencil. The word given is pencil, which ends with L. So you can write lesson, N, so net, T, train, N for notebook. Then next one is the word chain of abstract nouns, beginning with humor. R, so we have written rage. Then E, so eagerness, strength and honesty. The word chain of adjective, beginning with majestic. So majestic word ends with C. So you have written curious. S is the last word. So super. R, rural. And L say loyal. So these are the examples of word chain. You know children, you can play with the word chain, and naturally it will help you to increase your vocabulary. You will find out new words, so that you should be able to keep up the chain. Now here the word chain of only 4 words are there. You can go on continuously play with the word chain. Okay, thank you.